How to make money using Pinterest.com and affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money using Pinterest.com and Amazon Associates. So in today's video, we're going to go with a new niche, which is beauty and skincare. So let's type it here, beauty and skincare. So let's go to the overview. Let's go to the home feed. From here, home feed, and we search for beauty and skincare, and we see the topics about this niche. As you can see, we can browse through some posts. Let's go with this post. Let's go with this post. Let's see what does it talks about. So this is the post. It's a video actually. So let's go back and let's continue with our video. So let's open a new tab and let's go to tiktok.com and let's choose a video related to our niche to upload to our Pinterest account and put the link in the video. So we hit search, we copy our niche, and here you can see the top accounts, videos and live. So let's go to pick any video that has the most views, like this one for example, 8 million. Let's leave it. Let's see this one. Now I'm not going to choose this one, so let's check for another video. Koreans will always let you know. This one includes this woman's face. Let's see this one, 43 million. No, I'm not going with this one. So let's just scroll until we find a good video about the niche. So you can choose a video from TikTok, or you can always choose a post from here and you copy it all. So this one follows the same thing that we do. As you can see, this is his Amazon link. You can check his Amazon link. This is what he is selling, as you can see. Let's go back. So let's follow the same steps. Let's take this post and let's hit saved, and let's download the post. From here we hit download image and the image will be downloaded. Let's take its description and best skincare products, which is the headline of his post, and let's go to create our post. Create pin. Let's create our pin we drag the post here, we give it a title, best skin care products, best skin care products, and that's it. Here we give it a description. Discover the best skin products in best sellers. Find the top 100 most popular items in Amazon Beauty and personal care best sellers. And here we leave the link that we're going to get from our Amazon affiliate. So just take the same headline and let's search with it in the Amazon. So here we can choose from one of these products. You can choose the best sellers. You go to sort by. Now we go back. You go back. Let's choose the best sellers. We just wait for it to load and you click featured and best sellers. And here we choose from one of these best sellers. Let's choose from the CeraVe. So guys, make sure when you choose a niche to stick to that niche and always upload 10 to 20 posts a day about the same niche. So let's get our link from here. You click text and you can always create your posts like this one. You can create same posts like this one from canva.com or any platform you choose. So you click text and you will get your link from here. You click copy and you go to your Pinterest and you leave your link here and that's it, and you click publish. So we need to add tags. So let's click publish and it's now published. You can see your posts from your account. You can see your posts from here, the posts that you already created and its views, pins, and so on. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.